Daddy, can we go for a walk today?
Yes, I want to see trees.
Let us go to the forest path.
Good idea. We will walk together.
Adventure time! Wow, trees are so big.
They touch the sky.
Trees give us fresh air.
Let us walk slowly and look around.
Shh, I hear something.
I hear it too.
That is the wind in the leaves.
The forest is talking to us.
Hello, forest.
Look, tiny ants.
So many ants.
They work together.
Small friends, big work.
Oh, the way is blocked.
We can step over it.
Careful, one step at a time.
I did it.
Good balance.
A bird.
It is flying fast.
Birds live here.
We must not scare them.
Hello, bird.
Walking is fun.
I am a little tired.
Rest is important.
Nature walk makes us strong. Let us follow the path.
Like a snake.
I will follow you.
Stay together.
This tree is huge.
Can we hug it?
Yes, gently.
Trees are our friends.
Forest was fun.
I saw many things.
Nature makes us happy.
And calm.
Can we come again?
Yes, my little explorer.
We love nature.
And nature loves us.
We are the Kiwi
Kiwi
Family.
Family.